Welcome to our shop, sir. How can I help you?
I want to buy a Christmas tree.
Is there any preference of size?
Better first show me.
Chinu, go and bring the Christmas tree.
Okay, sir.
Will it do, sir?
No, it is very big. Do you have a smaller one?
Sure, sir. It is available in many sizes. Have a look at this, sir.
Yes, this is okay. This will serve my purpose. Do you have something to decorate the room? As you know that it is a Christmas next week.
We have many things, like lights, bouquet, caps, and also playing items for kids.
Better show me some lights.
How is it, sir?
Is it a candle?
Yes, sir, but it is artificial.
Oh, amazing. Pack it, please. Do you have some bouquet?
Yes, sir. There. Which one do you prefer?
I prefer the red one.
Do you require any other items, sir?
No, that's enough for today. Do you accept online payments?
Yes, sir. The QR code is over there.
Let me do this. Yes, done. Check, please.
Yes, sir. Received. Wait a minute, sir. I'm arranging all the things to be packed.
Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir. Visit again.